Founded in 1936, Smithfield Foods is a food manufacturer based out of Virginia that is, quote, passionate about producing good food the right way. The company is a global leader in the packaged meat category, including popular brands such as Nathan's Famous, Farmland, Armour, Farmer John, and Healthy Ones. The company stresses that it is committed to providing responsible food safety and quality programs. Last weekend, an issue with food quality arose as an employee was filmed urinating at his workstation during the production process at the company's packaging plant in Smithfield. As a result, the company has discarded more than 50,000 pounds of product and the employee has been suspended. According to company spokeswoman Lisa Martin, the peeing problem was an isolated incident and the company has taken the appropriate measures to ensure product quality. Footage of the alleged incident, reported by WAVY, shows the worker moving products onto a conveyor belt when he takes his glove off and just very clearly relieves himself. But what I don't get is why the worker took his gloves off. Which brings me back to my grandfather's old saying, boy, stop peeing in the meat! Smithfield is a $15 billion company responsible for about 54,000 jobs globally. This factory in particular has about 2,500 employees and reportedly produces bacon, sausage, pork, and smoked meats. According to the company, production at the facility was shut down and all of the equipment was sanitized multiple times before operations resumed. Smithfield is investigating the incident. The employee will remain suspended during the investigation, and Martin didn't elaborate on the specific meat product that was subjected to the alleged micturating. The guy took a 5-second leak and the company had to destroy 50,000 pounds of product. Not a good career choice, man. Not a good career choice. The employee has not yet been identified. IEN did reach out to Smithfield, but the company did not respond to our request for additional comment. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now. Boy, stop peeing in the meat!